Are you thinking about borrowing money to grow your business? Are you feeling overwhelmed by the different financing options that are available for you? Are you wondering how to manage business debt effectively in the Philippine market? Hi, I'm Mommy and your Mommy Negosyo, and if these questions sound familiar, then stick around. You see, many Filipino entrepreneurs face the same challenges. And in today's video, we will dive really deep into how to borrow smartly and manage business debt effectively so that you can grow your business more confidently. We will discuss how to choose the right financing option and practical tips for managing debt. So here are the tips that we'll discuss in this video. First, assess your needs accurately. Second, research your financing options. Third, create a repayment plan. And fourth, monitor your cash flow. And fifth is to communicate with your lenders. Without further ado, let's start with tip number one, which is to assess your needs accurately. Before borrowing, this is something that's very important that you should do. It's crucial to accurately assess how much money do you really need and what will you use it for. Write down your business plan and budget to understand the exact amount that you require. Remember, you are borrowing money for your business and not for your personal use, okay? Mix them up and you'll end up messing things. Trust me, you would not want that to happen. Meet Giselle, who owns a small clothing boutique. She wanted to expand her store and she needed funds for renovation and new inventory. So I advised her to be careful and only borrow the money that she needs for her business. And that's exactly what she did. So by carefully assessing her needs, she determined the exact amount to borrow and avoided taking out more than necessary. So again, only borrow what your business needs, okay? Now, let's move to tip number two, which is to research your financing options. Different financing options suit different business needs. So make your research, find the best fit for your situation. So here are some types of financing. Depending on your needs, you may want to consider any of these like bank loans, microfinance, government programs, private lenders, and peer-to-peer lending. Also pawn shops. Let's talk about my coaching client, Joan, who runs a home-based baking business. She needed funds to buy new equipment and to expand her product line. Now, being the cautious lady that she is, after researching, she found that the microfinance loan offered the best terms for her small business. So she's happy with low interest and flexible repayment options. So look for what suits your unique situation, okay? Let's carry on to tip number three, which is to create a repayment plan. So never borrow without a clear repayment plan, okay? Having a clear repayment plan ensures that you stay on track with your loan payments and that you avoid unnecessary debt. So follow these two steps. First, list all your debts, interest rates, and repayment schedules. Then, prioritize payments based on interest rates. Just like Yen, who is an owner of a salon. Because she needed more services, she knew that it was time for her to expand. Even though she was hesitant to borrow at first, she decided to go for it. She discovered that she could make a repayment plan for her loan, and so she created a detailed repayment plan. She allocated a portion of her monthly revenue to cover the loan payments. It took a lot of discipline, which eventually helped her pay off the loan without compromising her cash flow. Yes, you need to really stick to your plan to make it happen. Remember, self discipline is an essential quality of a business owner. Now, let's proceed to tip number four, which is to monitor your cash flow. Regularly monitoring your cash flow is essential for effective financial management. It helps you stay on top of your finances and ensures that you can meet your debt obligations. So, here's what you need to do. First, keep track of your income and expenses diligently. Second, review your financial statements regularly. And third, adjust your budget as needed to maintain a healthy cash flow. This helps you spot financial issues early and make smart decisions to keep your business on track. Let's use Erica's example for this. Erica is a mother of three and a semi-retired architect. She owns a thriving online shop, but at one point she struggled with managing her cash flow. She often found herself short on cash to cover her loan payments and to buy new inventory. And then she discovered the importance of cash flow management. By regularly reviewing her financial statements, she ensured she had enough cash to cover her loan payments and invest in new inventory. So, we're at the last tip, which is tip number five. Communicate with your lenders. If you ever encounter difficulties in repaying your loan, don't hesitate to reach out to your lenders. Communication is important to keep their trust. Tell them your situation, and they may offer solutions like restructuring your loan. Like Kathy, who owns a restaurant. There was a time when she faced a slowdown in business and struggled with loan payments. So she spent many sleepless nights trying to figure out what to do. When she asked for my advice, she did not know that she could ask for help from her lender. And so she reached out to her lender and negotiated a new repayment schedule that eased her financial burden and allowed her to keep her business running. So you see, borrowing money to grow your business can be a smart move if done correctly. By assessing your needs, researching financing options, creating a repayment plan, monitoring cash flow, and communicating with lenders, you can manage debt effectively. So, with the right approach, you can use borrowed funds to fuel your business growth and achieve your entrepreneurial goals. If you're ready to learn more and to take your business to the next level, remember to subscribe to my newsletter and my free starter kit at mommynegosyo.com for more insights and tips. Thank you for joining me today. This is Mommy and your Mommy Negosyo saying, be business minded, Pinoy!